guys, we got some knee pads and stuff to use for today, all spares in a box, so we can get all that ready, and then we can start taking all that up. All that foam's gotta come up.
My name is Jacqueline Stuckey. I'm here at 1902 R Street Southeast. This is my residence. I've lived here approximately 25 or 30 years. I've hired contractors on February 1st. As soon as he got here and I got invested in the job, they left. They were working across the alleyway at another home, running from here to there, but more time over there. And they just left things, and every time I would come to see how things were going, it was always something that I could notice that was wrong. I mean, it was staring you in the face wrong. And these were contractors that I had signed a contract with for big bucks.
What we're gonna be doing downstairs is resilient flooring.
So when you do flooring, knee pads are just part of the outfit. Everybody wears them. You're gonna be on your knees. You're also gonna be standing up at certain points, so you need it for both.
So this is the floor you're gonna be laying, right? So you see that floor there is like resilient, so you can use this, and then but it scratches the floor.
That ain't gonna
And the same thing, this is also good for ceramic, so it won't crack.
This cohort was a month longer, and I think being able to keep them engaged, it takes something.
This is the utility blades. You got carpet blades, they're a lot sharper. And trust me, you'll cut yourself like that. I cut myself tons of times. You know what I mean? So you need these. You have to wear the pouches, all right? And you have to bring belts. It's a must.
It really doesn't take long to sort of know the steps that to follow. What takes a while is really the experience, and it's really about feel, understanding, touching.
So you hold this, make sure the blade is straight with your thumb. Make sure the blade stays straight, because then you clamp the blade, then you kind of do this, and you tie it. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Cohort work is a 6-month program. Once you complete the 6 months, you get a certification. In my experience here, what I learned is don't give up, and you gotta apply pressure. And you gotta work. Nothing is free, so you gotta go get it. Another experience I got was running, because we do that a lot.
It took getting up in the morning, being prepared at night for tomorrow, for that next day. It took a lot. And being able to stay on the schedule, like the waking up, the best, I mean the worst part, but it's the best part. It was just motivation in the early morning.
Now be careful with the scraper, because it'll dig to the concrete. You know what I mean? So if you feel something, for example, you start doing this softly. You see that? Watch, do this, and then you start scraping stuff off. Right? You see that? And the reason why you have it in your knees, see how this is just the top. Don't dig, because it'll just kind of like, right? This is just a trade. The reality is this formula works for anything. Just learn that one thing.
Man, before I came to the program, I didn't know nothing. FTI is probably one of the best places I could recommend to go get training for like these type of trades. FTI taught us so much, and it's like we became part of a family at FTI. Like, it wasn't like more of a class, it was more like a family thing. We all taught each other stuff, we all helped each other when we needed help. What make them up? This painting or this make them up?
They're all about the same. Once you learn it, they're gonna be all the same. So when you drop this here, you kind of drop it, right? And you use this to kind of stop it. You go like this, and you go like that, right? The only thing I made somewhat of a mess. So you put it in the back. You keep your adhesive. The reason you gotta keep a lot of adhesive in front of you is because if you only use a little bit of adhesive, it's no good, because it leaves junk behind. That's why you gotta leave a pile. It's gotta be behind. Always look behind.
I think I'm into the flooring part. Like, I ain't learned too much glazing and the painting. It's a little complicated, but I think I'm gonna do this floor stuff. Me, Tavon, Dante, we got us a work team. Like, we're a real work team.
Yeah, it looked like guys was picking up the techniques pretty well today.
I was just locked up last September. I just came home last September. Like, I ain't even think I was gonna finish the program. I wasn't expecting me to finish it, but I finished it. I'm inspired to keep coming here. Like I get something out of this. Like, I ain't doing it for no money or nothing. I like to do this type of stuff just to help. Like jail ain't for nobody though. Like, jail ain't for nobody. I don't want to see none of the men nobody, and that place ain't for nobody.
what will you do first?
Oh, what would I do first? Oh, I cut this piece for the fit. Yeah, I cut this.
Straight, right?
Yeah, straight
First, do that first now. You got. Now, I will use a piece underneath maybe to. Let me show you another trick too.
I mean, I got daughters, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to do what I can do to better my life for her. Cause I came out the streets. I used to be with all the bad things and the negativity, but I'm just trying to go on the right route. You can have fun doing the right thing too.
Come here, get you some knowledge in this construction field, painting, flooring, glazing, get you some experience so you can be able to have your own business.
So you want to protect what you laid down now, and then we may just do a little bit of finishing, depending on what Johnny and Jose say. You guys really killed it though, man. I'm proud of all y'all, especially you came through early. And hey, Mr. McKinley, you came through early and got it in, man. Proud of you, buddy.
Trust me, guys, this is where you're going to be making money in the future.
I mean, no one could have done this any better. I mean, this is professional.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, you all did a wonderful job. Thank you. I was so impressed by the guys, the young men that were being trained to do the work, and the people that were training them. I didn't even come back the next day because I had so much confidence in the work and the workers, because they are actually doing what I haven't seen done by anyone else.
We thought she was going to pass, so we won't pass.
Are you kidding? Do you know I have professional contractors here? Mm-hmm. You all did more in 2 days or 3 days than they did since February the 1st.
Oh, this wonderful. Like, I'm lost for words, for real, but this wonderful experience, like, Miss Stuckey giving us the opportunity to really, like, get her house together for her. Like, this I ain't think I had never experienced nothing like this ever in my life, like, never, like, but this is a good experience right here, like.
Like when you see a person's face, like after you did the work, like their reaction, man, that's great. It's a good feeling.
This is a good program though, like I'm telling you this, like I done been at Project Empowerment and all that, I don't like, this was the best program, like every other program feel like school, that's why most people don't keep going. This is really like we hands on, it's exciting, it's like you go, like you going to go jump on a moon bounce or something, you geeking to paint, learn how to paint,
Yeah, I
you
real
geeking
loud.
to learn how to do this stuff.
And you find out who you are by the work you do. It's a true test of character.
You know, I had an interesting day in one of the Hope sessions, and what was really powerful, these guys are very insightful. And one of the guys, Frazier, said, and it stuck with me, and right now I want to all use it, it's like he called it patience to greatness. That's the word that he used, and I was like, we should actually write that up. And it is very powerful because really it takes a lot of patience to be great at anything. So it was a real powerful statement. So these guys, they're ready to take on life, but those are the little things they just kind of wake up and they say stuff like that, and you're like, So you step back and say, man, this guy's gonna do all right.
I think everybody did a good job. Everybody paid attention when it came down to putting the hardwood floor, especially him. Everybody paid attention, you know what I'm saying? He was making sure he was on point.
Yeah.
Like we weren't messing up that floor.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's
so
right.
it was a good job with everybody.
Okay. Any pointers for the group? Anything we can improve on?
Yeah, we need more days like this, y'all. This was a good day.
Strong.
We got through a lot today.
And it was hot. We still working through it.
Yeah. All right, good work, everybody. Just bring it in. 1, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Whose life is it?
My life.
My name Kevin McKinley. I'm from Uptown, Washington, D.C., Garfield Terrace. I mean, I love my family, and you know I love Uptown, man.
Dante Frazier. I'm from Washington, D.C., straight out the trenches, Big 3-0.
I'm Tavon Brent. I'm from Trinidad, Washington, D.C., the northeast side. I went to Young American Works for about 2 years, and then I graduated from Spingarn High School.
Tavon Evans. Washington, D.C., East Street, North East.
Trey Whisper, first to know, Uptown, Washington, D.C., Northwest.
I'm still in amazement here, and I'm telling everybody what's going on.